Hello friends, welcome to this video about this DIY project when I used this very cheap eBay divider, and I just transferred it by using that metal construction, and I completely removed that fabric which came with that, as it should be like on the top, and I really didn't like it. Also I didn't like it wasn't letting light pass through. So I just used this wooden slat to separate that empty space on the top, and I also used window foil as filler for the bottom. Also I know I didn't paint the top of slats, but like nobody can see it yet, I know that. And for window foil I just cut it exactly size which is going to fit that construction. And then I took tape and I just like stick it that window foil on the sides of construction. It's not best looking, but it works. Once when it was done, I realized top looks completely horrible, so I attached wooden slat on the top, first just from the front, and then I decided also back looks completely horrible, and I was trying to at least attach that two slats with tape. It was completely wastage of money, so do not do it. And that slats were attached to these clips which are holding construction together. So there is also one on the top where is this wooden slats. It's just not visible at the moment. And as I said, first I tried to like attach that from the back with tape. It didn't work. It looked horrible, as you can see. So I end up adding wooden slats from back as well. And this is end up finish, how it looks like from the front. I was always happy how it ended up. From the front, it looked completely amazing. It looks like glass. It's letting light going through, so I never worked in the dark. And I really don't have like anything wrong to say about front side. My problem was from the back. It never looked so nice. As you can see on the video, it's not bad, but it's not great. So as I'm moving and I will need separate space for my computer in my new place, I definitely will use this construction again, but I think I will use something else and probably make another video about this. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and see you later. Bye!